You call this a proposal? Is this how you plan to secure customers? Your sales for the past few months is the worst in the company. I don't want to see you today. I think you should just go.
There are 7 billion people in this world. In this building alone, there are almost 5,000 people competing in the rat race. I'm just one of them, and I think I'm losing this battle.
I don't think this will be helpful.
Time is ticking away, and it will continue to do so even after I am gone. The world will simply move on without me. Is this how my life is supposed to be?
Come, I'll help you find them.
Maybe I'm not too small after all.